Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing out and closing every Office app. That prevents file locks and leftover processes. Next, backup templates, signatures, and any license info so you can restore settings later. Use an administrator account because removal requires elevated permissions. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel and locate Programs and Features. This is where the uninstall process begins. Make sure your internet connection is stable if online removal or repair tools are needed mid-process. You'll now run the core uninstall. Choose Office Entry and click Uninstall, confirming prompts. This removes main files and registry entries. If the standard option fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the dedicated Office uninstall tool to force removal. These target stubborn components and services. Once the tool finishes, restart the system to release file handles. Then delete remaining Office folders under Program Files and %appdata% to fully clear user data and avoid conflicts on reinstall. Finish by rebooting and confirming Task Manager shows no Office processes. This ensures a clean slate. If you plan to reinstall, run the official installer or use the repair option to restore missing components. This step prevents corrupt configurations. If something goes wrong, run the cleanup/uninstall utility again and examine Windows Event Viewer for error codes. They guide targeted fixes. And if activation fails, sign in with the correct account and re-enter your product key. That resolves most license-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.